Hello everyone. Today, we would like to introduce a digital output module from Odot. This module is DT222F. It is a 16-channel digital output module. It features a PNP type high-level output. All modules in the Odot D series adopt a removable modular design. The wiring terminals support quick plug-in and removal during on-site wiring or when a module needs to be replaced. This design helps avoid repeated rewiring work. Each channel is designed with a spring clamp terminal. This makes wiring and disassembly very convenient and helps reduce the need for tools. The terminal supports cables up to 1.5 square millimeters. On the top, you can see the status indicator LEDs. There's a power LED, which indicates the power supply status of the module. There is also a status indicator LED used to display communication status or other fault conditions of the module. In addition, each channel has its own digital output status indicator. Through these indicators, you can easily determine whether each output channel is operating normally. Furthermore, all Odot D series modules are equipped with a redundant backplane bus. This not only controls the refresh cycle at 0.6 milliseconds, but also effectively enhances on-site anti-interference capability.